This is Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, you will need to connect your device to Wi-Fi, then at the search bar type in Opera query. Once the needed app is found, click on the green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and launch the app. In here, while opening it for the first time, tap at the blue continue button, then decide whether you would like to enable notifications for Opera or perhaps set it as your default browser right off the bat. And at this final page you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.